What's good, Crypto Yang gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang in the building. What it do, what it do, what it do, what it do. So I am back here with another banger. This time we're going to show you how to swap on Uniswap. Now, the thing about this is it is exactly the same as Binance Smart Chain, okay? So instead of using Smart Chain BNB on PancakeSwap, all you're doing is you're using Ethereum on Uniswap. Now, how do you get there? So if you use Trust Wallet, you can go in to your what is it, the DX app, the DX app, like how you go for PancakeSwap, look for Uniswap. Or if you are on your browser, you can simply just go to the Uniswap app.uniswap.org and then you can swap. Or if you're on Dex Tools, you can just click on the trade button, and when you click the trade button, it's gonna open Uniswap. Okay, so now if you want to do it through MetaMask on your mobile, then you would go to your browser. Of course, I would just go ahead and open up Dex Tools and then go to the coin that you want, and then hit trade. When you hit trade, it's gonna bring you over to the Uniswap website inside of your MetaMask wallet. Now, the thing is, you do have to be on your Ethereum network, okay? So, for example, here, if I click on this is where I'm able to change from BSC network over to the Ethereum network, okay? So, why am I having to switch over? Because everything's done on the Ethereum network. Now, if you have MetaMask, by default, you are already on the Ethereum network, all right? Now, that's the difference between the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum with MetaMask. Now with Trust Wallet, I believe you would have to, you actually don't even have to switch it on Trust Wallet. It'll automatically be on the Ethereum network, I believe, as long as you're connected through Trust Wallet in Trust Wallet. But on MetaMask, you have to switch between Ethereum network and BSC network, all right? So how do you do that? When you pull up your MetaMask on mobile, at the top, you'll see something that says wallet. Okay, that's gonna, all the way at the top, it says wallet. If you tap on wallet, then you can change between BSC and Ethereum networks. It's simple as that. So all you gotta do is listen. All right. Unfortunately, I can't show it to you because I'm not on mobile. I might go ahead and put that in, but it's gonna take a minute for me to do all that. So, but yeah. Anyway. Oh, excuse me. So what are we doing here? I'm going to show y'all a live trade on Ethereum network with MetaMask in the browser for eMax. So I already made a video on eMax saying that this is a top pick of mine for the week. Why is it a top pick? Go watch the video. And it'll show you exactly why it's a top pick right now. This thing has gone and done some numbers. What am I looking at right now? I'm waiting on this dip, baby. I don't know how low it's gonna go. How low can you go? Hey, 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 hey. How low can you go? Hey, 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 hey. How low? I don't know. We're gonna see how low this thing goes. All right. Hopefully, it's gonna drop all the way back down here underneath the fives, which I don't think that's going to happen, but if it does, I'm going to catch it. And when I catch it, you get to watch me do it. So before we do it, let's get prepared. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is choose Ethereum on top. So when I choose Ethereum on top, that means that is what I am swapping with. What am I swapping to? It's going to be eMax. Now, so I'm going to show you exactly what the process is on a PC. It's the same thing on mobile. All right. You hit trade, boom. And you're going to choose, you're going to click connect wallet up here, and then you're going to choose MetaMask or Trust Wallet or whatever you're using. And then it's going to, it'll actually say import. Do you want to import eMax? You're going to import it so that way you have the contract address in here, right? Or you can paste the address in here manually if you messed up and didn't do that. But anyway, once you got all that set up, then you're going to hit Ethereum at the top. All right, make sure to make sure. So now it says no liquidity. So we got to click on that to get V2. Okay. So cause, it's on V2. So that's where all the liquidity is. But make sure that you leave some Ethereum in your wallet, or else you're not going to have anything to trade with. Your fees, you got to have money in your account for fees. Okay, at the current price, let's see, with eMax, I'm just going to act like I'm swapping. I'm not going to do it yet. I hit edit. Now, this menu here, you're going to get the same menu on Trust Wallet if before you approve your swap, you hit the gear icon on the top right, okay? When you do that, you'll be able to edit this. So I like to do it on fast because for a couple of dollars, I'd rather make sure my shit goes through quickly, all right? So right now, it's about 10 bucks, right, for me to make a trade. That's not that bad. It used to be $200 back when Shiba was a big thing. It was like $200, but this is me just showing y'all how you can change your gas fee and how to make sure you get in and out of trades quickly. All right. And people will say, oh my God, but you're paying so much in fees. It's not that much, bro. You're getting 3% slippage, right? So that means 3% is going to get deducted from whatever it is that you trade into. So you're going to get minus 3% on this. And then you're going to pay what, $10 in fees to get your shit quick. It's not that bad considering that the Ethereum side does have some good coins on there as well. We are now approaching a level here that I believe is a decent level for me to hop into. Damn, I want to buy some right now, but I also don't want to get in too early and this shit dip all the way down. You know what I'm saying? There's some pretty decent buys. Wow, one Ethereum just bought. They sold off about 1.5 here. This is awesome because this is not only is this a live trading video, it's also somewhat of a tutorial on how to buy, which is pretty cool. I'm glad that I'm able to do both. Yeah, this shit's gonna dip hard. I hope it does. I really do. Because if it does, I'm gonna get a beautiful entry here. Beautiful entry. Now, you notice I have 0.46 in here. I'm only using, actually, I'm using 0.41 because I want to leave 0.05 in my account. Now, if you just type it in and look, 0.05 is about $100. I just want to keep that in there just in case fees do jump back up, whatever. You know, I just want to make sure that I am covered. All right. So 0.05 is the amount that I want to keep in my account so that I can get out of this this position whenever I want to, no matter what the fees are. And as of right now, you saw it was only 10 bucks. It's not bad at all. But yeah, I'm just watching here, watching these levels. It might catch support here. It may not do what it did last time, which was a huge sell-off. Oh, this is tough. I might, let me just do this so that you guys, I'm gonna buy half. I'm gonna buy about half of what I want to buy here. So half of what, 42 is about what, 21. All right, so I'm gonna buy here at this level because I do want to get some here, and we're gonna go fast and confirm. Now you see how quickly you can get in and out of a trade if you're on a computer. This is the reason why I think I already have eMax on here. Yeah, I already have this on here. But that right there, what I just did was also to add the token to your wallet so that you can see what tokens you have. Boom, look how quickly that just went through. So that buy just went through. That was pretty quick. 0.21, I think that was me right here. That was pretty fast. And I'm pretty sure I have that amount now because I had about $700 worth and I just bought about $300 worth. I typically don't like to show how much I'm investing, but I mean, this one right here is not too bad. I'm not putting any outrageous amounts, in my opinion. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep, I still want to keep a good amount in here. So 0.04 isn't too bad. That's a little under $100 of Ethereum that I'm gonna keep in my wallet. I am still looking here for a nice level. Now that 0.21, let me see, can I find my 0.21? I want to see what price I got in at. That was a pretty decent price, I think. And there it is. So I got in at the price of 244. What? No, hell no, that's not right. Oh, that's ETH. That's ETH. 5564. Okay, so not a bad entry. 5564 was right around here, which is the support, the last support. Look at that. So look at that. I knew it. I should have waited. That's all good. I'll just average down. I bought in. I think I bought in around this area here, and then I bought in again, and now I'm just waiting for this thing to really, really dip hard. I think it's going to recover real quick. I'm going to try to catch it here at the bottom fours. So you guys get to watch me in action here. I think it's going to be really hard for that to get down there at the bottom fours, though. This might be the lowest that it goes. That's a pretty big dip already. Yeah, and this is a lot of support. If it does drop, it might drop down to 45 at the most, if that, because there are people really, really buying right now. The buys are definitely outweighing the sells, I think. What was that? A 7, almost 10, 11. Damn, that was about 11 or 12 ETH sell off right there, which is fine by me. I have a lot of confidence in eMax to go for another level. That's just my opinion. I could get shitted on. Who knows, right? We'll see. I pray that I don't get shitted on. I had about 650 in to start with, and then I got another 300 in just now. So I'll have about 1500 invested into it. And I think this was the level I was in at. And I'm trying to get in. Damn, shit got 8 up, bro. Damn, and I don't think it's gonna dump off again. Should have caught it down there at the 5s. But yeah, I just want to show you guys, you know, what it is that I'm doing out here, how I do it. Yeah, I might still buy at this level because we're still underneath this support here. I just want to see it come back down one more time to like the 45s. I swear, I think it's going to go down to the 45s, and it might not. Nope. Look at that. Jesus. I missed it. I missed it, guys. I missed it. But I did catch it right at this level here, so I'm not mad. I think this is a good thing. I think I'm going to go ahead and go in. It's hard, though. Look at all these buys, bro. Wow, I should have bought. I definitely should have bought. All right, whatever. Let's go ahead and I'm all the way in. Somebody just sold 0.2. Somebody bought 0.3 right after that. Yeah, I'm all the way in. So, y'all got to see how Uniswap works. It works the same, the exact same, I would say, as it works the exact same as PancakeSwap, as y'all can see. Now, it does move a little slower, right? Because it is Ethereum. Sometimes it's going to be a little slower. But if you change your gas to be the fastest, you'll have no problems, you know? I don't think you'll have any problems. So right now, my investment here is pretty large. I'll probably blur out a lot of things like my wallet address and things like that. But as y'all can see, I got a good bit of money invested into this thing. It is a call that I made in the server as well as on YouTube. So wish me luck. Good luck to you if you're in it. And I'm out of here. I just wanted to show you guys how to make a trade on Uniswap with Ethereum. It's very similar to PancakeSwap with Binance Chain. So if you have any questions about it, ask me in the comments. Now, I do want to go ahead and let you guys know there are fees It's a good $20 fee just to transfer Ethereum from one place to another. So if you're transferring Ethereum from Binance to your Trust wallet, it's going to cost you about $20 just to transfer. So make sure that you're transferring a good amount and make it all one transfer. You don't want to just do multiple transfers. If you're only going to transfer like $100, it may not be worth it. You see what I'm saying? So be careful. Just be careful. Anyway, I kind of want to see. I can't see my orders. My orders aren't. So that's one thing that is a little different here in comparison to PancakeSwap. You're able to see your history inside of PancakeSwap. Here, I don't think you can see your history. You would just have to go to your MetaMask and look at it manually. But anyway, I'm out of here. Crypto Yang Gang. Appreciate y'all always. There's a Discord server. If you want to join the Discord, it's always free to lurk and spectate. If you want to get engaged with the community and chat and talk and ask questions and learn and maybe even throw out your own plays in the server, you can do that. There is a minimum donation required in order to do that. Please, when you come into the Discord server, to make sure you make sure that you read announcements, and then also the verified channel. When you come in, that's how you verify. Okay, you have to read that channel and react to the message. Now, you can join the Big Infamous Discord server by going to thebiginfamous.com or going to thebiginfamous.com/discord. The Discord link will be displayed on that website. So go to that website, check it out, and click on that link. It'll bring you to the Discord, and then DM me if you want to be able to chat. There is that minimum donation required. Just hit me up with a screenshot of your donation that you send. Information will be in the announcements channel for donations, okay? I appreciate every one of y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I don't have that many videos. As always, I always say I don't have that many videos that I put out often. So definitely hit the notification bell so you get a notification every single time that I put up a video, because it's usually something helpful, okay? And yeah, man, Yang Gang. Appreciate y'all, man. Crypto Yang Gang, I appreciate every one of y'all. It's your boy Crypto Yang. Oh, by the way, shout out Waycoin. Waycoin is the coin that I am creating and developing. If you want to support it, come through to the Discord and also follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/WAE_COIN. All right. I think this is the one right here. Here it is right here. So twitter.com/WAE_coin. All right. Appreciate y'all. I'm out of here. I just wanted to do this quick video of a live trade and show y'all that it is nothing. It's simple to do a trade on the Uniswap interface on Ethereum Network, okay? Just make sure that you're on the Ethereum Network when you do it. You're gonna wonder why you don't see your Ethereum in MetaMask. Is because you got to switch back over to the Ethereum Network. You can go back and forth on there, so it's awesome. You can trade on BSC and also in the Ethereum Network as well on the same app. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm talking too much. Yo, Crypto Yang Gang, love y'all. We all eat.